Good morning.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I did. How about you?
I slept late, but I'm fine.
What do you want for breakfast?
Just some toast and tea.
Do you want sugar in your tea?
No, I prefer it without sugar.
What are your plans for today?
I have some work to finish. Sure, let's do it together.
Where did you put the remote? Can you help me clean the living room?
It's on the table.
What should we cook for lunch?
Let's make some pasta.
Do we have all the ingredients?
Yes, I checked the kitchen.
What time will you be free?
Around 3 p.m.
What kind of movie do you like?
I prefer comedy.
Can you set the table for lunch?
Yes, I'll do it now.
Do you want juice or water?
Juice, please.
Lunch is ready.
Great, I'm hungry.
How's the food?
It's delicious.
Can you pass the salt?
Here you go.
What's the weather like today?
It's sunny but a little cold.
Do we need to buy groceries?
Yes, we're out of milk.
Let's go shopping in the evening.
Sure, that works for me.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Yes, after we finish eating.
Can you turn off the lights?
Yes, I'll do it now.
What time is it?
It's 5 p.m.
Do you want tea or coffee?
Coffee, please.
Should we order dinner or cook?
Let's order something today.
What do you want to eat?
Pizza sounds good.
The food will arrive in 30 minutes.
Perfect.
Did you see my phone?
Yes, it's on the sofa.
Do you have any work left?
Just a little.
Can we clean the kitchen after dinner?
Yes, I'll help you. Let me know in the comments which sentence was your favorite, or share your practice sentences with me.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good. How about you?
Long time no see. Where have you been?
I was busy with work.
What's new with you?
Nothing much, just the usual.
How was your day?
It was great.
How's your family?
They're doing well.
What did you do today?
Went shopping.
Have you eaten?
Yes, I had lunch earlier.
What are you up to?
Just relaxing.
Where are you coming from?
Was at work.
Do you want to grab a coffee?
Yes, that sounds great.
What's your plan for the weekend?
I might go on a trip.
Are you free tomorrow?
Yes, let's meet up.
Have you watched any good movies lately?
Yes, I saw a great one last night.
What's your favorite TV show?
I love watching comedies.
Did you hear about the new restaurant?
Yes, we should try it.
How's work going?
It's a bit stressful but good.
Are you still going to the gym?
Yes, 3 times a week.
What's the weather like today?
It's nice and sunny.
Do you want to go for a walk?
Sure, let's go.
Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Yes, I went to the beach.
What's your favorite place to visit?
I love the mountains.
Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting.
How's your pet doing?
My cat is doing great.
Are you still reading books?
Yes, I just finished a new one.
Do you want to go shopping later?
Yes, I need some new clothes.
Are you going to the party this weekend?
Yes, I wouldn't miss it.
What time do you usually wake up?
Around 7 a.m.
How do you spend your free time?
Like to watch movies.
Do you miss school days?
Yes, I really do.
It was nice seeing you.
Same here. Let's meet again soon.
Look at that big slide.
Can I go on it?
Of course. Be careful.
I will, Mommy. Watch me.
I'm watching. You're so fast.
Wee, that was fun.
Want to go again?
No, swings now.
Swings it is. Hop on.
Push me high.
Higher?
Yes, I'm flying.
You are so brave.
Can you swing too?
Maybe later. Let's run.
Chase me, Mommy.
I'm coming. Run fast.
You will never catch me.
Got you. Tickles now.
No, I'm escaping.
You're so quick. Thirsty?
Yes, juice please.
Let's sit and drink.
Can we come tomorrow?
Absolutely. Same time?
Yes, I love this park.
Me too, sweetheart. Dinner time, honey.
But I'm not hungry, Mom.
Really? You haven't eaten since lunch.
I don't want vegetables.
They're good for you. They help you grow.
Can I have something else?
Let's try a few bites first. Just a little.
I don't like broccoli.
I know, but it's good for you. It's like a tree you can eat.
A tree, that's funny.
And carrots. They help you see in the dark.
Really, like night vision.
Exactly. You'll be like a little superhero.
What about the peas?
Peas give you energy, so you can play all day.
Okay, maybe a few peas.
Great. And try a carrot too?
Fine, but just one.
Thank you. I'm proud of you.
Can I have dessert if I eat my veggies?
Yes. We can have a treat if you finish.
Yay, I'll eat more then.
That's my big kid. See, it's not so bad.
It's okay, I guess.
One step at a time. You're doing awesome.
Thanks, Mom.
Please, like and comment for more videos.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more English learning videos.